Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Are you tired of rummaging through your wardrobe, searching for that perfect sari or suit for your special occasion? Introducing the efficient organization solution, transparent PVC sari suit packaging bags. With this pack of 10 PVC made sari cover sari bag organizers, you can now easily store and protect your valuable sari and suit. Each bag is designed to be transparent, allowing you to instantly see what's inside without having to open it. No more wasting time searching through stack of clothing. These bags are the perfect solution for wardrobe storage or gifting. They are sturdy and durable, made of high quality PVC material, ensuring that your sari or suit stay protected from dust and moisture and paste. The transparent design also make these bags ideal for gifting. Showcase your beautiful sari or suit to your loved one without having to unwrap them. Not only are these bags practical, but they are also space saving. The compact design allowing you to neatly fold your sari or suit and stack them up, maximize your wardrobe space. The 10 of pack ensure that you have enough bag for all your valuable clothing item, whether you are organizing your wardrobe or preparing a special gift. These transparent PVC sari suit packaging bags are the perfect solution. So guys, say goodbye to messy wardrobes or hello to efficient organization. Make your life easier and your clothes more accessible with these transparent PVC sari and suit packaging bags. If you want to purchase this sari bags, then I'll share link is in description box. Till then, bye, take care guys. Thank you for watching my video.